Ever considered how your garden could be more than just a space of tranquility and beauty? How it could be a realm of joy, creativity, and practicality? Welcome to the world of fun and functional gardening, a digital ebook designed to bring out the innovative gardener in you. This is not your regular gardening guide. It's a treasure trove of ideas, inspiration, and interactive learning. Get ready to delve into a journey of quirky plant arrangements, clever DIY projects, and so much more. With each page, you'll find a new way to transform your garden into a paradise that's as fun as it is functional. But what makes this ebook truly unique? It's not just about the what, it's about the how. Each idea is accompanied by detailed, easy-to-follow instructions, helping you bring your garden visions to life with ease. Plus, with a digital format, you can access your gardening companion anytime, anywhere. From seasoned gardeners to green-thumb beginners, fun and functional gardening has something for everyone. It empowers you to be the mastermind behind your garden's transformation, making every plant, every corner, a reflection of your personality. So are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure to weave fun and functionality into your garden, to create a space that not only looks beautiful but serves a purpose? With the Fun and Functional Gardening digital ebook, the possibilities are endless. Each page, each idea is a seed waiting to be sown, a story waiting to unfold. So dive into the digital realm of fun and functional gardening. It's more than just a guide, it's a transformative journey that begins in your garden and leads to a world of creativity and joy. Because when you transform your garden, you transform your life. And remember, every great garden, like every great story, begins with a single seed.